What's up, everybody? I got another unboxing. This one is for the shop. So, we're gonna go ahead and tear in. And, well, I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all are gonna have to just watch and find out. Because this is something that's gonna help me and could potentially help you with your shop upgrade. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, just a quick update. What I'm doing is I have the base situated, I have it all put together. All I have to do is put the shelves on. Now I'm adding the second height level. So basically you can stack these or you can have them as two smaller separate shelving units. But for this purpose, I'm going to make it one big shelving unit. So let's get into it.
What a waste of love.
Well guys, I know that wasn't too exciting of a video, but I just want to keep you all updated on what we're doing in the shop here as far as whether it's car stuff or it's accessory wise, whatever it may be. I want to keep you all updated because I plan on bringing you along for the whole journey of this new shop. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get this thing organized with all of our, products and clothes and all that good old stuff. And that is going to end today's video. So guys, I have something coming in the next one. I'm not going to tell you all what it is. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.